Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening from my watchgang Black membership watch for August. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Electrician's Hybrid Mechanical Z Series. I freaking love this thing. It is awesome. It's not the easiest watch to read, but man, it is a conversation piece for sure. Very cool piece. Now, if you're not familiar with WatchGang, it is a monthly subscription company where you get a watch every month. There are different tier levels. There's the original tier, the black tier, and the platinum tier, and the prices have gone up on those tier levels from what they originally were. I believe the original tier is now like $75, the black tier is $150, and the platinum tier is now $399. Now, the only level I still do is the black tier. I think it's a lot of fun at the $100 price point, and you get some pretty cool pieces. Now, I say $100 price point for me because I was grandfathered in at my original price that I signed up for. Now, guys, if you're looking to sign up for WatchGang, make sure you click the link below. It'll get you some wheel spin points and me some wheel spin points, which helps me get more watches to show on the channel. And guys, I also have discount codes and promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast. And if you're into old cars, make sure you check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown, where me and my brother try and keep some old cars on the road. Now, I've also started I've been doing some openings of some of my Hot Wheels and Matchbox on that channel as well. So it looks like for this month we have a Carrera watch. Now it's funny because I have gotten a watch from WatchGang from Carrera before. I might have actually just recently sold it on eBay. I do sell some of my watches from time to time. So let's take a look. This one is a little bit different than the one I had gotten previously. It is a nice color green on this one. It looks pretty beefy overall. What do we have here? We've got an MSRP of $1,475, which is, let's just call it up there, that's for sure. And there's the model number. We have a C51773GN, so I will have to look at that. Now, I actually am really kind of digging the bracelet on this one. Let's open it up and get a little bit better look. It does have a nice bracelet, not just a generic stamped steel. Looks like we do have some micro adjustments on that bracelet, which is nice for me because oftentimes I find my wrist size in between link sizes. Sometimes I got to remove 4, sometimes 3, and those micro adjustments definitely come in handy when that's the case. So let's go ahead and pull some plastics off of this one. All right, so with all the plastics removed, we can get a better look at this Carrera GT. Now, I'm not sure which model this one actually is. I like the logo on the crown, and I do like the texturing on the crown. Now, I've got to pull that plastic piece to actually wake it up and be able to get this thing running. It does have a screw down crown. Got a unidirectional bezel, which has pretty firm clicks on this one. I wish it was a little sharper on the bezel, a little easier to grab would be nice, but I do like the texturing on the bracelet. I don't think this one is too shabby for my $99 subscription price. I always ask when I do these what people think of it at the new price point, which I believe is $149.95 or $150. So, you know, at the $100 price point, I like that green. I bet this thing looks awesome in the sunshine, and I like the bracelet. It has a nice bracelet on this one. Now, I have roughly a 7-inch wrist, and it looks like I would probably be removing maybe 3 links out of this one. 4 would be too much. 3, I could use that micro adjustment on the bracelet. But it is pretty heavy. I find myself more and more going to straps or nice leather bands just because they're a little bit lighter and a little bit more comfortable. For some reason, I'm always worried about just getting desk rash and road rash on the buckle itself. But overall, I don't think this is too shabby. I dig the green with the yellow hands, and I think it has a nice little pop. I can't wait to see this one out in the sunshine. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.